Hello, little dinosaur. Wow, it's raining in all different colours. I see you have your welly boots on. Are you going to jump in some puddles? Oh, that's very exciting. Let's say the colour of each puddle you jump in. Go on then. What about this one? Wow! You jumped in a yellow puddle. Now you're covered in yellow. Go on then. What colour was that puddle? It was blue. Now you're covered in blue. Are there any more puddles? Shall we see? Oh, here we go. What colour was that puddle? It was red. Now you're covered in red. I wonder if there are any more to find. Wow! What colour was that puddle? It was purple. Now you're covered in purple. Surely there can't be any more. Did you find one? What colour was that puddle? It was orange. Now you're covered in orange. I wonder if there are any more to find. Oh, go on then. What colour was that puddle? It was pink. Now you're covered in pink. What about this one? Oh, that puddle's washed away all the other colours. It made you green again. Look, little dinosaur. The rain stopped and the sun's coming out to dry up all the puddles. That was fun, wasn't it? The next time it rains, we'll go and do some more puddle jumping. See you soon, little dinosaur. Bye-bye.